All right, we're back the day after catching all the bowfin at a little hunting area. Now I know about this little spot that we're gonna go to. Just a little bit of a walk. So here we are, and these are all mosquitoes swarming us. Holy moly, let's get the bug spray. I see why someone left their can. They're trying to save others. Whew. Not sure if y'all are going to be able to see, but there are gar on top of the water everywhere. Oh, look at that. Speaking of, we're about to have a blast.
Is there something? Is there another creek that pushes in from over there?
It goes out.
Kick it back out.
So I'm gonna hook this bluegill.
Whoa.
Hold on, I'm gonna move this guy's contraction thing.
First cast.
A gar.
Right.
A gar right there.
Watch out, Gunner.
There's two of them.
Let's do one way out there, right where I know that trees and all that are.
I'm passing out right over here.
I'm gonna set up my rod. We got it. There we go. Should be pretty loose. Yeah, there we go. There's one right on top of my line. This is a nice little spot. Oh, there's gar all right here, man. Here we go. He's going for it. Look at him right there. He wasn't interested. You want to look over here, Gunner? You want to check out over here? I'm going to check it out. Oh, look at that. There's gars all up in them trees. Oh, man. Oh, I can get them. Watch this. I'm going to sneak up on these gar. Gunner. There's gar. Gar. Right here. Alright, we're going to sneak up on these gar. Here we go. I didn't know this was a spot. Oh, Gunner. There's one right here. Look at that. One right there at the bank. Stay there. Stay there, Gunner. There's one right here next to us. Oh, nope. He's gone. Oh. Got him.
We got a gar.
There we go, guys. Got a gar. Oh, man. There it went. No.
Don't scratch your nose right there.
Dang it. I had him.
Oh, man, I seen that.
Here we go, guys. He's going, he's going. I gotta get up before him. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he spit it out. Look at him. Here we go. He's right there. Is he gonna go for it again? No, he went straight past it. He learned his lesson. Here we go. There's another one right here. Right in front of him. Nice. Here we go. Gonna go for it? He didn't go for it. Went right over him. Look, right here. I didn't even notice it. Ooh! Dang it. He just barely poked him and he ran away. Watch, this one's not going to want to bite it no more. Oh, I lied. Got her. Whoa! There we go, guys. Got her. Nice. Yeah. Yep, let's go show him. I gotta go get my pliers up here. Hold on.
Do gar eat bluegill?
Here we go. Oh!
Jeez.
Ouch. Hit it pretty good, huh?
Look.
I don't think it's anything crazy.
Justin just got hooked on something. Oh, a drum. Nice bait. Nice.
Ooh.
That's good bait.
Another drum, yes. That was weird.
Check that out. That's a monster. Jeez.
That thing fought crazy. I thought it was another drum.
It's about the same size.
Yeah.
Look at this crappie. Justin's just using worms, tearing the fish up. Different species, one after another.
Jig head and worms, just jigging it.
That's a good keeper.
This is no fair.
Nice, dude. Oh, I didn't even have it pointed up. Look at that crappie.
There you go, guys. Nice hook set, right top of the mouth.
So I might be able to get this in front of this gar here. Ooh, right in front of him. Nice. Oh, he got it. Oh, there he goes. Got him. There we go. Got him. Oh, it popped out. Dang it. Here we go. That's how you catch alligator gar. Or spotted gar, I mean. There we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, there he goes. He's going with it. Ah, he got off. My reel. The reel's kind of messed up. Dang it, that was awesome. Oh, there's one out there. There we go. Gunner! 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 Got him! There we go! Ah! They're loving the bobber, dude. There we go. He's going for it. Got him. I also got a tree too. Oh, there we go. Got, oh, popped out. Yeah, this is fun though. Dang it. Oh. There we go. Took the bobber. Dang it. Got my bait. Back to the jungle we go. There's some roses here. What the heck? Huh. Pretty sure that's sunflowers. Oh, there's a big one right here. Scared him. Dang it. I hit him. Hell yeah. Got him a nice bowfin.
Good. Nice weight on him. Let's try to get him off with no pliers. See how this goes.
There's one right here. Perfect. Here we go. Is he gonna eat it? No. That's a bigger one too. Scared him, dang it. Oh, no, there he goes. He's taking it. There he goes. He took it. I'm gonna set the hook. Got him straight to the trees. Nope. There we go. Second gar of the day. We got these spotted gar here. Oh man, lost them. Ooh, we need a lasso.